Good morning. This is a training video on how to trade the E-mini on our F4, F6, and F5 screens. And we've had a pretty choppy market already this morning. The only thing that has really been consistent has been the tick volume has been to the buy side. And the net cumulative tick, we're 6,400 plus trades to the buy side. Countering that is the 50-lot trader is short to the tune of 1768 and 3280. So right here we've got a buy. It's our second buy. We are long at 2111. Our stop is 3 ticks beneath this low at 75, so our stop's at 2109. And we'll see what we've got. We're in our buy area, the 850 to 2010. We're not getting any kind of lift out of here, so we're going to do a little tape reading right now, and we'll see what the F5 screen brings us. And this is on 15 minutes. Now, one of the things that immediately catches my eye right here is that I've got pretty good sellers at 11, and I'm long at 11, so I've bought the high, and I've got my stop at 9. And then up here, the next is that 1200, 1225. So 2111 to 13 is where the sellers have been. And we'll just take a look. I'm going to go through and just get a feel for what the other players are doing. And this might take a faster computer right here to do it on this machine. See what the 20-lot player is doing. We've got 14,368. We had 12,900 before, so we still have on the sell side. Okay, on the 20-lot player, we've got a buyer 975 and 10, so they bought the low end of the range. We're in at 11 off of our setup, our prescribed setup right here, and we don't have the benefit of trade location. And you can see the 75 lot, the 20-lot trader was a seller there at 75. Got tongue-tied. Well, the action is still going to the short side of the market from what I can tell. The 50-lot trader, which is part of that 20-lot trader right here, 20 or greater, 975, 950. And just for curiosity's sake, we'll see what the 100-lot player is doing. You can see they're not really heavy on the sell side up above. The selling, maybe 1225, 1250. And the 100-lot trader sold 12s, and they sold 1125s. And they also sold the 925 area, and most of their buying is in the 2010. So we got our stop at 2109, 25. We're going to go back and we're just going to do a little tape reading and we'll see what we get. First place we got to get through is 1175. That doesn't look pretty, does it? Well, we know where the shorts are and where to pressure them. Take this baby higher. So we got sellers at 11 all the way up to 12. 20-lot trader is to the short side and a pink stripe. We got a pink stripe up here in the price action, and the 19-lot trader is still to the long side. And we're not doing a lot of volume, 247,000. Can you believe that? How? And you have to ask yourself, where are the large institutions? It's a rigged game, and they're only going to buy securities they want. So a forced tick rebuild has changed nothing on this screen. So the 19-lot or less is there, and we're in long right now. At 11, we bought the high of the move. Can you believe that? Got our stop at 9, 2109. This is where you get that personal understanding, the emotional understanding of slowly twisting in the wind. Trade doesn't feel good. 50-lot trader is increasing it. I mean, there's just really no reason to stay with this trade right now. Not saying that it can't develop, but there's just nothing going on right now, and I'd be surprised if we don't stop out. But we will see. Okay, looking at the just quick review, I know there's sellers here at 11. I know there's sellers at 1050. I know now there's sellers at 975, 10. They're trying to take it down. So the only saving grace that we've had on this trade so far that we haven't stopped out on, and I don't see how we haven't stopped out yet, is that the 19-lot trader or less, the ticks were to the buy side. Okay, we got a retest failure of this low right here. We got our green dot, 2139, 15067. Okay, we're getting a retest of this high right here, and there's no way you can move your stop to break even if you don't like it. You got to take yourself out. This number has gotten a little smaller, so that's positive. The 19-lot trader right here is long, and we got a blue bar with the 20-lot trader. So maybe Yellen said something that took the market up in her Q&A. But look at this volume right here. I mean, this is really, 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 really pathetic. And large institutions will sideline themselves for Fed talk or Fed speak or Fed announcements, as they will for unemployment numbers. I mean, at this point, if you want to break in, you just got to take yourself out, and you can always buy, stop in, to take out that high. Okay, when we come back up here at 1175, our stop originally was at 850. We can move it up to 09 now. Don't want to make new lows, so the stop should go up to 09. The 09 was an 8-tick stop. The correct place for the stop was 850. So I've got 1475. I've got 1824. And let me get rid of some of my squiggles. So I got 2 blue bars here on the 20 lot. I'm still seeing the 19 lot as a buyer. And I've gone green up here on the price action. Think about how good your communications have to be. You have somebody with an open phone, I'm sure, to their trading floors. Goldman and all those people are paying somebody to sit in the House Financial Service Committee meeting today to listen to what Yellen has to say. And think how fast that information gets to New York. And you saw we went from 925 up to 1175. 2.5 points, 10 ticks. Okay, we're 1773. So we've about 50 lots have come out. We're below 14,000 on this, and still got blue bars on panes number 3 and pane number 2 on the F6 screen. And we have a little buying here at 1150 to 1175. Now, we've got pretty good buying at 975 to 1075, maybe as high as 11. And if this holds right in here, this area holds, you see that mode right there. If that holds, we can trade up from here, then I think the trade will start to look better. But if we come all the way back down here, I mean, we don't know if we have a good trade or not. And for those, when we talked about it in this bar right here, if you're nervous about the trade, you had to get out at 11. I mean, that has not changed. I mean, that was your best shot for getting out. 1823, 13,992. This one's jumped back up. A 50 lot trader has come back into the short side. 19 lots or less are still buying it. Our stop's at 2109. We're in at 11. In no man's land right here. 1823. Back over 14,000. So the entire market, we've had some selling. Still blue. Now we got perhaps a red bar right here. And our trade, you know, the first signal we got right here is we didn't get that 2-bar move, did we? We only had 1 bar. And if you don't get that second bar of movement in your direction, it's really, really, really hard for that trade to develop and come on up out before going back and retesting support. And you can see that's exactly what it did do. Okay, this is below 1823, so so a 50 lot trader covered their shorts right there. This is above 14,000. The entire market sold to him. Pane number 3 is still blue, and now we got a blue with a 20 lot. And what I like to see right here is this mode that was defended right there on our F5 screen. Again, I'll show you. That 5124 outlined in green was defended right there. People came in and bought 1050. We were at what, 83, so 50 lots have covered. Still blue, still blue. And we're building volume in the 1075 area. Now, we're 980 to 995. We're 2130 to 989.38. So the trades are coming into the short side. You can read it right here. Like to see this number getting bigger. The 989. Ooh, we had a 1-lot trade right there. Good. 2134. So we picked up 130 plus, 170 plus to the short side. We've had one to the long side at 1125. Okay, the 50 lot players at 1713. We're at 13,749.50. I've got 3 blue bars on my pane number 2 over here, and I'm still looking at nothing but blue on pane number 3. 991. We traded another 1 lot up at 21.25. Okay, when in doubt, go look at your F2 screen. Not very encouraging yet. So, what do we have at this point? And we've gone on to 16 minutes on this. So again, I'm just trying to feel this out. I don't know what way, shape, or form it's going to take, but we are going to where's F6? There it is. Okay, as a review, well, the 50 lot trader has covered more of their shorts. That's positive, so this is a positive. We've got buying in number 2 up here. This is a positive. This number is getting a little lower. That's positive. Pain number 3 is positive. Pain number 2, still looking at blue bars. And we've been in this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bars now. And I don't think I'm talking an octave higher right now. Sweating this baby out. God dang, come on. It's like the horse. You got to cheer the horse across the line, right? 1671, 13480, 1110 versus 2886. Now I'd like to see 1150s being hit. So we're at 366 up there. And we have an unfinished auction right here at 75. And this market usually will go 2 ticks past that. This price at 1050, 1075 is being defended so far. 1770, 1726. That's not getting a lot of action down here. Not getting a lot of action here either. 1726, 136, 137. Just jumped up 100 right there. Still blue. Still blue. So far we're blue on that one. And let's see if we can kick that 1260 up, and I'd like to see an 1150 print right now. Be nice. Now to show you another feature, the software that you might like. So here we are, hoping for P's, right? 1621, under 13,000 there. Still blue. Still blue, looking better. Okay, you move your stop up to 2110 right now. We'll get 6 ticks past 11, so if we can start painting a 2112.75, we can move our stop up to break even. Now the big guys just sold into it. That's not good. Back over 13,000, and we're at one of those round market numbers. So still blue. Somebody's taking some profits right in here at 1250. So this is your moment of truth right here. Are you going to stick with it and take it up? Take yourself out at a quarter for 5 ticks, or nothing wrong with the trade yet, except we've got 50 lots selling, got 20 lots selling, and 19 lot or less buying. And look at this volume right here, 293. I mean, this is really nothing. So at this point, move your stop to break even, and it's either going to work or it's not. We got to stop at break even. Our trading target is 2114. And I'm going to close the tape right now.